back to IndieSell, everybody. Don't start that spring cleaning just yet. David Novak is here. Gadget Graham to the rescue. You always bring us up a lineup of things that we need to know about, right?
Yeah, this time is, we call it spring cleaning, but so there's some cleaning products here. There's some things to keep things neat.
There's this. We'll talk about that. I thought it was a robot.
It's a time travel machine.
That's what it looks like, you know. I was thinking Jetsons.
Yeah, and so if you're OCD like me and you like clean stuff.
Clean and organized. These products are going to help us do it easier.
This is what it's all about.
All right, where do we start?
So this is the new Genie Steam Plus. A lot of our household cleaning products are toxic.
Okay.
And so this uses hot steam. And this will clean anything from fabrics to shower tiles to windows to toys.
Wood floors?
Wood floors, exactly. Really anything that can accommodate water. It has a water reservoir in here. It's portable. It has attachments so you can use this. It has a 5.5 foot hose, so it reaches a lot of things. But I think the biggest thing is it's very portable. A lot of these things aren't, and it allows you to sanitize. And also a lot of these household products give people allergies, so this will help avoid that too.
This is true. We're seeing video of it right now. It looks so simple.
Yes.
I love it. So where can we find that at?
That is newgenie.com.
Okay.
Steam Plus, and it's $160.
Okay. Very cool.
This is the squash sheet. Seemingly a canvas pillow, but it folds out into a fitted sheet.
Interesting. Okay, so those fitted bed sheets to me are a beast. I can't stand folding them. So this one, it looks like you don't even have to fold it. You just
stuff it in there. It's got a little pocket for a remote control when it's laid out.
This is great.
It comes in a lot of different patterns, a lot of different colors. Squash sheet. This is $39 for the twin and the full, $49 for the queen and the king. But the idea here is, you know, sometimes we don't have sheets. This not only has it, it's portable, and it turns into a little canvas pillow.
Okay, that's awesome. We're seeing it now. Oh, that looks fun. Can we do that? Now, see, and there's the pocket.
There's the pocket.
This is my kind of thing, because my glasses get lost. I just tend to set them right on my bed, and then they fall down. I can't find them.
I'm on my 5th remote control now.
Are you
They're
really?
Lost in the bed abyss right now.
Okay, so I'm going to work on squashing this back in when you go on to the next one.
Go for it.
This makes me happy.
Okay, if you need a paint refresh for your home, this is the Wagner Flexio 5000. So this comes contained in a nice little carrying case. You open it up. This actually is the paint reservoir and the motor. This is important because a lot of these things, the motor is attached to the actual nozzle, and so it's heavy. This stays on the ground. It has 11.5 foot hose, as you'll see, which is stored in there. It comes in with two nozzles, one for multiple rooms, another one for finishing furniture. You can actually paint something 12 times as fast as you could with a brush or a roller.
12 times faster. That's awesome.
Wagner Flexio 5000, and this goes for $189.
Okay, very reasonable.
Very reasonable, I think. Especially
probably easy to clean too, right?
5-minute cleanup.
Oh,
Good
so
point.
there you go.
Good point.
Check that out. Okay, so our Jetsons robot, what is it actually? Tell me.
It is a kitty litter system, automatic. The cat goes in, does its business, comes back out. There's a sensor that can tell that cat has exited it. This thing will turn and sift out the litter and the waste, and then the waste goes in this drawer.
Okay.
Complete with a sanitary sack.
So you just have to pull out the sack?
You just pull it out, cinch it up, and you're done. Okay,
so I don't have a cat, but if I did, the litter box would be the thing that I hated. So this is interesting. How do you train your cat to go in there? Is that a question that we know?
When you put litter in there, they kind of intuitively know that that's where they're
Not being a cat person, I don't know that, so they would know to go in there.
I do have a cat, and I will tell you, changing litter is not fun. This also is Wi-Fi, so you can control this from your phone. So if there is an additional need for more cleanup, you just push a button on your phone if you're at the office.
Can we train kids to? I mean, I don't even want to go there, but you know, I was thinking it, so I might as well say it. Okay,
A
last
human
one.
version is coming next.
That's right.
Next.
Okay. Over here.
Okay.
Some kind of mop system, right?
It is. This is called the Doo-Wop. So you've seen the Swiffer, stuff like that. Really neat products.
Bring it over here so we can.
This
there
is
we go.
even better.
Okay.
This works on a quick ball system. You pop it in, pop it out.
Okay.
It has a telescopic pull. And this is microfiber and it's washable. This is the difference between this and something like, say, Swiffer. But you can
Okay.
clean walls, floors, windows, just about anything. And because of the telescopic pull, you can reach high up on a ceiling fan. You can also take this off, and this ball can be used as a grip to do like
Gotcha.
baseboards, chairboards, stuff like that.
Okay.
It's called Doo-Wop, and this is $30.
Telescopic pull just means that it goes out and comes back in?
Correct,
Okay.
yes.
Just trying to make sure of that. Amber, I can't decide which one I want.
I have one of those at home, and I love, not the kitty litter thing, but yeah, those almost like Swiffer things, but they're not Swiffer. But yeah, they're super cool and super good. Thank you, Anessa, so much.